Once upon a time, a farmer named Tom went to his field feeling discouraged. It was the sunset, summer, yet his crop was still not growing. Oh no, another day without any crops. What am I going to do? Tom sighed. If I can't deliver crops to the kingdom, I will be in trouble. One day, just as Tom was about to give up digging in his barren field, his shovel hit something hard. Oh, what's this? Tom wondered as he kept digging. Soon he uncovered a pot buried in the ground. A pot. What's pot doing in my field? And it is empty inside? Tom said, disappointed. He had worked so hard with no reward. Frustrated, he tossed his hoe into the pot and lay down under a tree to rest. After a while, as he got up to retrieve his hoe, he saw the pot was now filled with 100 hoes. What? How is this possible? Only had one hoe? Tom exclaimed. He emptied the pot and decided to place the shovel inside. Miraculously, another 100 shovels appeared in the pot. Could it be? This must be a magic pot, he thought, amazed and thrilled. Tom looked the pot home, eager to experiment further. He placed a single egg in the pot and soon it overflowed with eggs. I can't believe my eyes, he cried. Next, he tried placing an apple and a loaf of bread inside. The pot quickly filled with hundreds of apples and loaves of bread. Tom no longer needed to worry about his barren field. I will see these multiply good at the market, he decided. Day after day, he put different items into the pot. One day clothes, the next day vegetables, and then beans. And each time they multiplied. Soon, Tom's success in the kingdom market caught the attention of other sailors, who grew jealous and complained to the king's soldier. The following day, a soldier secretly followed Tom. That morning, Tom put a single chick in pot to sell at the market, and soon hundreds of chicks were running around his home. The soldier couldn't believe his eyes, especially one of the chicks accidentally fell back into the pot, causing another 100 to appear. The soldier reported everything to the king, who immediately ordered that Tom and his magical pot be brought to him. When Tom appeared before the king, the pot was confiscated for the kingdom treasure. Tom was saddened by losing the pot. Let me examine this magical pot that will surely enrich